Can you use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time on mobile? In order to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Roblox. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now what you want to do is head over to More at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you scroll all the way down, you can see the option of Logout. But if you move into Settings, tons of different options will be visible to you. Still, you can see that there is no any option or the feature where you can add another account. So what you can do is go back and click on Logout. After that, once again click on Logout. Once you have been logged out, you need to enter the login credential of your different account that you want to use. Once logged in, you will be able to use your account, but it is not possible to use multiple accounts at the same time. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.